Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss what is MySQL. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is MySQL? MySQL is an open source relational database management system or RDA-BMS that is widely used for web-based applications and other software projects. It was initially developed by a Swedish developers Michael Widenius and David Axmark in 1995 and was later acquired by Sun Microsystems in 2008. Which was subsequently acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010. MySQL is known for its speed, reliability, and ease of use, and it is compatible with a wide range of programming languages and platforms. It is used by many popular websites and applications, including Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. MySQL is based on SQL, Structured Query Language Standard, and supports a variety of features including transactions, stored procedures, and triggers. It is also highly customizable with many extensions and plugins available for adding additional functionality. One of the key advantages of MySQL is it is open source nature, which means that it is free to use and can be modified and distributed by anyone. This has contributed to its popularity and widespread adoption in the software development community. Overall, MySQL is a powerful and versatile relational database management system that is widely used for web-based applications and other software projects. For my references, I have here Widenius M, Axmark D, MySQL AB 2003, MySQL AB. MySQL retrieved in the following web address www.mysql.com, and then MySQL Wikipedia 2022 March 29 retrieved March 30 2022 from https in wikipedia.org wiki MySQL. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about what is MySQL is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.